Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, Ambujhari achieves success in 155 mm Burlet shell trials. Ordnance Factory Ambujhari has achieved a significant milestone with the successful fielding of trials for their new 155 mm Burlet shells. These shells, developed a collaboration with ARDE, that is Armament Research and Development Establishment, were tested at Proof and Experimental Establishment in Balasore, India. Next, high resolution satellite imaging payloads testing. Sature Analytic India Private Limited, a Bangalore-based intelligence company, announced the successful test of a high-resolution optical Earth observation payload developed by its subsidiary Cladio Space Systems. This achievement marks a significant milestone for the Indian private space sector. Cladio's team designed and built the high-resolution optical payload entirely in-house. This accomplishment makes Cladio one of the first private Indian companies to achieve this test. Rather, I'll say feat. Next, potential loopholes in Make in India defense procurement. Nitin Mangal, a SEBI registered research analyst, has ignited a debate on social media platform X, alleging that some companies are exploiting loopholes in the Make in India program for defense procurement. Mangal argues that the current system allows companies to qualify for Make in India benefits even if they simply purchase components from an Indian company, regardless of whether those components are actually manufactured domestically. In his example, Company A, which does not manufacture itself, could buy parts from Company B, which imports them. Under current rules, this might allow Company A to qualify for the program. Next, Bagdogra Air Base gets a boost. High-resolution satellite imagery has revealed significant progress in the ongoing renovation of Bagdogra Air Base, a crucial Indian Air Force facility in the strategically important Siliguri corridor bordering China. This upgrade comes at a time of heightened regional tensions, making Bagdogra's transformation even more critical. Next, quality issues in new F-35C jets. AUS Marine Corporation fighter squadron stationed in California discovered a series of problems with 5 recently delivered F-35C Joint Strike Fighters. These issues, documented in a January 2023 memo, raises concerns about the quality control of the jets and potential impacts on operational readiness. The problems identified included metal shaving were found in the fuel supply of some of the aircraft. Faulty assembly of parts was detected during inspections. A worrying case involved a plastic scraper measuring 5.5 inches left lodged in the wing fold of one jet, only discovered after a post-flight inspection. Thank you.